Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Sugeng Susiadi and all of his friends. We from Group 3 would like to present the results of the discussion to our group titled Agriculture Tech. Before that, allow me to introduce the members of Group 3. Next. First, there is Muhammad Ilham Muslih Aditya. Then the second is Salwa Salsabila. The third is I am Aikila Inunsyana. Then there is Ahmad Farezi. And the last is Raihan Salman Alvan Hermawan. Next, the material for slide 1 will be read by Ilham. So Ilham, time and screen, I invite.
Our journal is a modern agricultural technology application, its importance, role, and usage for the improvement of agriculture. Next. Introduction. During the past 50 years, development in the agriculture sector and policies has been changed successful at embracing external input to increase food production. This has led to growth in global inorganic fertilizer, consumption of pesticides, animal feedstuffs, and tractor and other machinery. This external input have substituted for natural resources and process, rendering them less powerful. Pesticides have replaced biological, cultural, and mechanical methods for controlling pests, weeds, and disease. Inorganic fertilizer have substituted for livestock, manures, internal resource, desertion, compost, and nitrogen-fixing crops. Next slide, explained by Salwa Salsabila.
Okay, thank you, Ilham. Then the basic challenge of sustainable agriculture is to make better usage of this done by minimizing the external inputs used by regenerating internal resource more actively. Evidence is now emerging that regenerative and resource conserving technologies and practice can bring both environmental and economic benefits for farmers, communities, and nations. The new or modern technology in agricultural sector can substantially improve the agricultural production and sustainability. Then modern agricultural technology and machinery usage in agriculture. First, autopilot tractors. New GPS tractors and sprayers machine can accurately drive themselves through the field without drivers. On the board of computer system, a user has told how wide a path given piece of equipment will cover. He will drive a short distance setting A and B points to make a line. And number two, crop sensors. Crop sensors are going to help farmer apply fertilizer in a very effective manner, maximizing uptake, sensing how your crop is feeling and reducing potential leaching and runoff into groundwater. The next will be presented by Raihan Salman.
Okay, thank you. And then the third is monitoring and controlling crop irrigation system via smartphone. Mobile technology is playing an important role in monitoring and controlling crop irrigation system. With this modern technology, a farmer can control his irrigation system from phone or computer instead of driving to each field. Moisture sensors in the ground are able to communicate information about the level of moisture present at certain depth in the soil. Next. And the fourth is biotechnology. Biotechnology or genetic engineering is not new technology, but it is important technology with much more potential yet to be unleashed. The form of genetic engineering most of the people have probably heard of is herbicide resistant. Crops can be made to express toxin that control particular pests. Many employ toxin that is the same toxin found in some organic pesticide. It means a farmer won't have to make a pass through his field to apply pesticide, which is not only safe on pesticide, but labor, fuel, and wear on equipment too. And the last is ultrasound for livestock. Ultrasound is not only for checking on baby animal in the womb, also can be used to discover what quality of meat might be found in an animal before it goes to market. The testing of DNA helps producer to identify animal with good pedigrees and other desirable qualities. And the conclusion will be present to my friend AZ.
Okay, thank you, my friend. Rehan Salman, conclusion of all modern agricultural technology has been developed with keeping two important things in mind. First thing is to obtain the highest yield possible, and second thing is to get the highest economic profit possible. To achieve these goals, six basic and important practices have come to form the backbone of production in agriculture. Application of inorganic fertilizer, irrigation, intensive tillage, monoculture, chemical pest control, and enatic manipulation of crop plants. Next. Then autopilot tractors, crop sensor, monitoring and controlling crop irrigation system via smartphone, biotechnology and ultrasound for livestock has backbone for production and is using for its individual contribution of productivity. Thank you.
That's all from group 3, more or less sorry and hopeful the material can be useful for all of us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.